Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to run a ChatGPT style interface locally with the Ollama and the Docker. So basically we are going to use the Open WebUI on the Linux to make a ChatGPT style interface, so where we can interact with the AI and it will give us the results accordingly. So it's all about the local, right? So let's see how we can set up this one as locally. Okay, so here we have some few steps, right? So first of all, install the Ollama, which I have already talked about in the last video. So first of all, you have to run this command. After the installation, we have to check the version, and then after that we have to install or test a model. So we have to go with Ollama run LM3. Okay, after this, now you the terminal like interface will come, and now you can chat with him, and whatever questions you will ask, it will definitely go to answer you. Here you can see that. So in the last video we have already talked about, like, see, so here we can Ollama run LM3, and now I have just asked the question what is JavaScript, and it gave me all the answers, right? So we have already talked about. Now install the Open WebUI, the best method for the Docker. So first of all, we have to install the Docker. So this is the command for the Docker. Okay, so let's run this. Depends container 1.6 Ubuntu connect. The following information will resolve the situation. What is going on? Patches had not been created or moved to the incoming. Let's run this. Okay, after that, let's run this command. Unable to correct the problems. Let's see if it is running or not, because maybe I have the issue with Docker. I think enable, it's done, and let's start the Docker. So this is also started. Let's run the web UI. Okay, this is the command that you have to run. Okay, so here you can see that now it's the installation is going on. Okay, so currently you can see that there is 1.6 GB the date, and this 96.76 MB. So it will take time. So let's see. Or maybe I think resume, pause the video first, then there would be no issue. Now you can see that the Docker is installed successfully, and the Open WebUI also. So here you can see that now we have to check the interface. Okay, so after this installation we have to open the web UI in the browser. So this is the thing that we have to just copy this, and in the browser we have to run this. Okay, so this would be the, I think let's check the which port it is running. That's very important. What port we have given, let me check. I think if the port is not given, I think 8080 would be, I think it gonna be using. So let's add 8080. It's not working in this also. Let me check. Okay, let's check the Docker PS, and I think it's on the 3000. It should run. Let me check anything other I will you have to used. No, I think a server IP and 3000 will work. So let's see. Let's check this one. Browser. It will work over there. Check proxy details. Reload. Maybe it will take time. Let's have a look. I think I have checked this one and it's working fine. Yeah, now you can see. Now, yeah, now get started. Here you can see now you have to enter the email for creating the account. Rajnikant, because now you can see it's locally, right? Rajnikant, enter your email, password, you have to put over there. Okay, now create admin account. Now you can see that what's new in the OpenAI. Here you can see everything. Let's close this. Now you can see the interface and you have to select the model. So you can install the model accordingly, right? So no model is there. So if you want, you can install the model, and here at the list for you can see pull AI models in the Llama, like you have to pull LM3, Mistral, 5.3. Okay, so you can pull accordingly, and you and whatever models you will pull, it automatically show over there. So you can select that model and you can do your stuff over there, right? And what else we meantime let's install the this one model. Okay, hope so it will take less time. Let's see how much time it will take. It's 2.2 GB, so definitely it will take time. Okay, so let's first of all configure. If I just type what is JavaScript. Correct. So it, because here you can see that it says that the model is not selected. Okay, so first of all we have to check the syncing also. So here we have controls. So here we have system prompts, no. Advanced parameters, no. This is something, I guess. Let's say settings. So we have interface. This is UI interface. We have integrations. We have post data controls. I think there is one more thing. Yeah, manage. I think something I missed here, because I know there is one thing that we have to set up to check the, like how we can set the models, right? Or we can manage, yeah, manage connections. Okay, so you have to go to connections, right? So here we have to just do the settings. We have, this is not host or Docker, it's local host, right? So let's add local host for the connections, right? So save this. Now Ollama API settings is updated. Now let's see if it will work or not. Start a new conversation. What is JavaScript? And model is important. So let's install. How much time it will take? 2.2 GB, 1.1 is done. Let me pause it, then I'll come back. Here now you can see that I can access the file latest version. Here you can see. So you can see now I can use the models locally. Okay, so what we have done so far, so I'll explain you. So basically you can see, so till here Ollama pull 5, this is the model that we have to install first. Okay, after that I try to check that those connection like model come or not. So for this one, after the installation of the model, what we have to follow is I just remove the previous one Docker. So Open WebUI, I just remove the RM. This one, first of all we have to stop it. Okay, so here I have add something like stop first. Okay, so here we have docker stop open web UI. After this I have run this command, docker run this one. Okay, and here I think the port is not mentioned over there, so check the port also, because currently if the port is not mentioned, so it will run on the by default 8080 port number. Okay, so it will run over there. And now here you can see that I can successfully check the model. Okay, if I go to this one, and I can now, this is the ChatGPT like UI, and the model is selected and it will run locally, so I don't need to care about the API tokens, right? So best models to try: Llama 3, Ollama run, this Mistral 5 we have already installed, and the game Gamma. You can, this one you can use. So local AI, ChatGPT like interface, no API cost, fully private. Okay, so you can, now you can use it. Now let's see how I can ask something like let's see how to connect MongoDB Node.js. Yes, mongoose. Okay, let's see how it responds. Okay, so we have to train this model, right? So it is consuming our local CPU, because I think I have 16 GB RAM, like C, and the how much memory the consumption is there. Let's check. So here you can see that the memory consumptions, it was just thinking. Okay, so now it will come up with the methods. Okay, so we have to install the mongoose. These are the JavaScript code. Here you can see what we have to write. So code snippet is there, right? So this is which is exactly correct, because I am a Node.js developer also. So you can see required DB, your server setup code follows here. So this only give me the, and have to create a scroll task cron job to this could Node.js script I will consider time server maintenance. Here you can see that locally I get the answer, right? It is slow, but if the number of sources if you increase, then definitely it's gonna be the fast, because AI work on the high GPU, right? So according to it, it will work. Okay, so see, we have successfully installed Ollama locally, and now you can use it. Okay, so hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.